Hello guys, welcome back to CAD-Make. In today's tutorial we are going to design a flange pipe elbow, using essential features and commands to bring our design to life. We'll also customize appearance to give our material a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part and click OK. To increase the sketch resolution more better, go to the Options setting. Click Document Properties. Click on Image Quality. Increase the resolutions like this. Click OK. Now go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the front plane. Now take the Line command and draw a line of 150 mm. Take away the cursor and back to the starting point. It will make an arc. Again draw a vertical line of 150 mm. Click Exit. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the radius to this arc as 260 mm. Click OK. Again click here to finish the sketch. Click on Right Plane. Take the Circle command and draw a 290 diameter circle here in the origin. Click OK. Rotate a little. Now go to the Features. Click on Swept Boss command. Sketch is always selected. Click here and choose this line as a path. Here we see, it's a solid object. To make it hollow, click here in Thin Feature. Give the thickness value as 40 mm, click here to give the thickness inside. Click OK. Zoom out. Rotate a little like this. Click on this surface. Click Sketch. Take the Center Rectangle command and draw a rectangle here in origin with 360 mm width and 360 mm length. Press Enter. Click OK. Now take the Fillet command. Select the whole rectangle. Click Yes. Click Yes 3 more times to complete the command like this. Give the fillet radius as 20 mm. Click OK. Again take Center Rectangle command and draw another rectangle with 260 mm width and 260 mm length. Press Enter. Click OK. Now select both the rectangles like this. Press Ctrl+C to copy it. Click OK. Rotate and zoom a little. Go to the Features and click on Extruded Boss command. Click here and select this section. Also select other corners one by one like this. Select here Blind. Give the extrusion value as 50 mm. Rotate and zoom a little. Click here for reverse direction. Click OK. It looks perfect. Now click here. Click on Sketch 4. Click Show. Go to the Hole wizard. Click on Counterbore. Scroll down. In Custom Sizing give the value of throughout hole as 30 mm diameter. Size of counterbore is 60 mm diameter. Depth of the counterbore is 10 mm. Now click on Positions. Click on this face. Click on this point to make a counterbore. Click OK. Here we see it looks perfect and amazing. Now click on Sketch. Click Hide. Select here counterbore and click here on Circular Pattern command. Give the pattern number as for at the angle 360 degrees. Click here and select this edge as reference of direction. Click OK. Here we see it looks amazing. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Select this edge. Click Convert Entities. Now press Ctrl+V. Here we have the rectangles we had copied before. Select the center point of the rectangle, hold Ctrl or Shift button and select the circle center point. Make them coincident. Click OK. Go to the background scene and select plain white. Now go to the features and click on Extruded Boss command. Select here blind. Extrusion value is 50 mm. Click here and select this section and the other corners one by one like this. Rotate a little. Click reverse direction. Click OK. Now click on this surface. Click Sketch. Here click on Sketch. Click Show. Now click on Finish Sketch. Go to the features and click on Hole Wizard. Click on Counterbore. All the dimensions and setting are the same. Just click on Positions. Click on this surface. Select this to make a counterbore here. Click OK. Now go to the pattern and click on Circular Pattern command. Click here in Part Setting and choose Counterbore. Rotate. Click here and select this circular face as reference. Click OK. Zoom out. Click on this sketch. Click Hide. Click Isometric to make it normal. Now go to the appearance. Click Metal. Click on Nickel. Select the brushed nickel. Here we see it looks perfect and amazing now. Make it normal like this. Select this edge. Click Chamfer. Also select this edge. Give the chamfer value as 10 mm, click OK. It's enough for today. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.